Hello dear students, today we are going to do some more questions from geometric progressions. So first of all we are going to simplify this question. This is 555, 555 and so on. We need to find the sum of first n terms of this geometric progression. First of all let us make it into the form of geometric progression. So 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot. So sum we are going to calculate. It's not looking like AP or GP. So first of all we are trying to convert it into some form. So I'm taking 5 common. It will become 111, 111 and so on. Till now we are not able to say whether it is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. So further we are going to make one more thing. We are multiplying it by 9 and same ways we need to divide by 9 also. So we can write it 5 by 9, 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on. So this will be the geometric progression or not. Till now also we cannot say it is GP. So further 5 by 9, now it will be converted into GP. I could write it 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 plus dot. So now hope you are able to see it is converting into some GP also. But let us see 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus dot up to n terms minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot n terms. So it will become 5 upon 9. Now we are able to see this is the geometric progression up to n terms. So this is a r to the power n. R is 10 to the power n minus 1. We are able to see common ratio is 10 and first term is also 10 upon 10 minus 1. R is greater than 1, that's why I am writing this, minus 1 n times we are adding, so it will become n. We could write it 5 by 9, 10 upon 9, 10 to power n minus 1 minus n. Further I could write it as 50 upon 81, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 5 upon 9 n is the final answer. So like this way we could solve the given question. It's a very good and important question. Now in the next question it is given as us that the sum of first 3 terms of the GP is 16 and the sum of next 3 terms is 128. We have to find the sum of n terms. So what I could do, first 3 terms of the GP, we know that first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR2. The sum is 16. Next 3 terms, next term will be AR3, AR4 plus AR5 equals to 128. I could take common R cube. It will be A plus AR plus AR2 equals to 128 From this equation 1, I could put the value of a plus ar square as 16. So r cube into 16 equals to 128. R cube will be equals to 128 must be divided by 16. R cube will be equals to 8. That implies R equals to 2. So we have got the value of common ratio as 2. Now the value of R I could put in equation 1. A plus a into 2 plus a into 2 square equals to 16. So what's there now? 4 plus 2 6. It is coming 7. A equals to 16. That means a equals to 16 upon 7. First term has come 16 upon 7 and the common ratio is 2. Now we need to calculate Sn. They might say us as we need to calculate sum of first 10 terms, 20 terms also. Whatever they are saying, we need to calculate that. So it will be a r to the power n, as r is greater than 1, minus 1 upon r minus 1. So a is 16 upon 7. 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So the answer is 16 upon 7, 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the final answer. So hope you are able to understand this question also. Now we have been given a question that arithmetic mean between the two numbers is 10 and the geometric mean between the same two numbers is 8. We need to find the two numbers. So let the two numbers are x and y. So arithmetic means between two numbers means x plus y by 2 is equals to 10 or x plus y equals to 20, equation 1. Now geometric mean means square root of ab equals to 8. So ab equals to 64. This one is equation 2. From equation 1 I could say, under root xy equals to 8. So xy equals to 64. Value of y I am going to put. So y could be written as 20 minus x. So x 20 minus x equals to 64. 20x minus x square equals to 64. Quadratic equation is ready. 0 equals to x square minus 20x plus 64. On factorizing, x square minus plus 64 equals to 0. Yes, the factors will be (16x) and 4x. So x I am taking common, x minus 16 minus 4 is common, x minus 16 equals to 0. That gives us x as 4 or 16. When x is 4, the values of y are, when x is 4, y will be 16. When x is 16, y will be 4. So the two numbers could be either 4, 16 or 16, 4. These are the two numbers. The geometric mean between them is 8 and arithmetic mean between them is 10. So I suppose this also you will be able to do. It's a good question. Rest will do in the next class. Till the time, keep practicing, keep revising. Good luck. Bye bye.